Okay, this is for Rick's request for I'd Love to Change the World by 10 Years After. The chords are E minor, and then it does a little riff thing on the second string. It just goes the open string, the first fret, and the second fret, and then plays a G. So, and then it's an A minor chord, and then the riff is exactly the same, but it's on the first string, the top string, and goes up to a C. And so that's, yeah, both of those little finger picking riffs are really simple. 0, 1, 2 on the second string, 0, 1, 2 on the third string. And the final chord is a B, which I play with the second fret, and I make an A shape with these fingers. And that's really convenient because then I just have to move these two fingers up a string each, and I'm back in that's actually an E minor shape. So it just repeats that chord pattern the whole way through the entire song. There's no change to that. E minor, G, A minor, C, and B, E minor. It doesn't always do the finger picking bit. When it gets more rock and roll, you're just hitting the chords. But yeah, pretty simple. What I do with the G, the first little finger picking riff from the E minor, I'm going to fret it with my third finger. So the first note is just plucked open, so that gives while I'm moving, and then I pluck it with my third finger, which means that my third finger is just going to slide up to where I'm going to play the G anyway, because I always use that finger on that G note, and then I can whack my fingers down there to form, that's a G shape. So just helps me transition really easily with the right finger from the start. And that's quite easy on the top string. You're just going from A minor, 1, 2, 3, oh sorry, 0, 1, 2, 3 to the C. And for guitar players, you're actually doing exactly the same thing. This riff would be on your bass E string, but it's exactly the same fretting. Open E to end on the G for the G chord, that'll be your bass note. And then the second time through, you're doing it on the A string so to end on a C chord. But it'd be shaped down here it's in a different place. But exactly the same tab. Cool, have a go at that.